Welcome to today's wellness guide. We are going to walk you through a powerful diet that can help support your digestive system, improve overall health, and boost your immunity. Let us get started with these simple but highly effective diet tips. Prebiotics for gut health. Garlic 2 to 3 small pieces. Ginger. Slice about half a centimeter of fresh ginger. Fenugreek seeds half teaspoon soaked overnight or sprouted one. How to consume? Take these in the morning on an empty stomach. These prebiotics are great for feeding the beneficial microbes in your gut, which help break down food and improve nutrients absorption. Banana stem juice. If you can get it, drink 150 to 200 ml of banana stem juice twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. This juice is known to help remove calcium deposits from your arteries and capillaries, promoting better heart health. Flax diet. Flax is packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are great for your metabolism and cell health. It also contains lignans that helps detoxifying the body. How to consume? Drink flax drink twice a day, once in morning and once in evening. If flax is not your thing, you can substitute it with chia seeds, 1 tablespoon or 15 gram soaked in water for 30 minutes. Vegetable juice. Make sure to drink bleached vegetable juice twice a day. It not only nourishes your body with essential vitamins and minerals, but also helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and promotes better circulation by thinning the blood. Salads and fruit salads. Add a good amount of salads and fruit salads to your daily routine. Pair them with dry fruits and smoothies for a nutritious snack or meal that supports digestion and overall well-being. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats, so drink it twice a day. Of coconut each time. This will provide you with essential nutrients and help keep your skin and hair healthy. Cold pressed coconut oil. After your meals, consume 15 gram of cold pressed coconut oil, 1 serving after breakfast and another serving after dinner. It is known to support healthy digestion and metabolism. Smoothies for vitality. You can enjoy these nourishing smoothies for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Sprouted or soaked peanuts smoothies, apple, carrot, dry fruit, sesame, chia seeds smoothies. Also add a green gram salad to your meals. Check out the recipes in the book. Spice drink. This drink is fantastic for fighting allergies, colds and fevers. Drink it when you feel the need for an immune boost. This simple yet powerful diet plan can help improve your digestion, boost your immunity and promote overall health. Start incorporating these foods into your daily routine and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more health tips.